Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are watching this video for the first time, first watch part 1, 2 and 3 and 4. I have given the link in the description box. So we are continuing the lesson coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, let us discuss about new topic section 4. Here you can see a line segment AB where A coordinates are x1, y1 and B coordinates are x2, y2. Where in between a point P lies in between the line segment AB, which divide the line segment in the ratio m1 is to m2. So, to find the coordinates of this P point, we use the formula, that is m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. So, this is called section form. Let us see an example. Find the coordinates of point which divides the join of minus 1, 7 and 4, minus in the ratio 2 is to 3. So, let us assume the given coordinates as A and B. Let minus 1, 7 be A and 4, minus 3 be B. Let us assume this ratio 2 is to 3 as m1 is to m. So, we will substitute all the given terms in the section formula. So, what is section formula? Yes, m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. Now, let us first find the coordinates of x. 2 into 4 plus 3 into minus 1 by 2 plus 3, which can be further simplified, will get 8 minus 3 by 5. How? Yes, 2 into 4 is 8 and 3 into minus 3 minus 1 is minus and 2 plus 3 is 5. So, we will get 8 minus 3 by 5. So, what is 8 minus 3? Yes, 8 minus 3 is 5 by 5. So, what is 5 by 5? Yes, 5 by 5 is nothing but 1. So, x is 1. Now, we will see y, which is 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 7 by 2 plus 3, which can be further simplified, that we will get minus 6 plus 21 by 5. By further simplifying, we will get 3. So, y is 3. Therefore, the point is 1, 6. Let us discuss midpoint. A midpoint of a line segment divides the line segment in the ratio 1 is to 1. How? If this is a line segment of 10 centimeters, let us draw a line in middle. By this part is 5 centimeters and this part is 5 centimeters. To find the point in this line, we use the midpoint formula, which can be derived from section formula. What is section formula? Yes, section formula is m1x2 plus m2x1 by m2 plus m1, comma m1y2 plus m2y1 by m2 plus m1. So, we know x2, x1, y2, y1. So, what is m2 and m1? Yes, what is the ratio? 1 is to 1. So, this is m1 is to m2. So, by substituting all the terms in section formula, we will get midpoint formula. It's 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1 by 1 plus 1, comma 1 into y2 plus 1 into y1 by 1 plus 1. So, by further simplifying, we will get x2 plus x1 by 2, comma y2 plus 1 y1 by 2. So, this is midpoint formula. Let us discuss an example. find the midpoint of PQ, where P is the point -2, -4. This is the point P, that is -2, -2. And Q is the point 4, 8. And this is the point Q, 4, 8. We should find the midpoint of this line segment. By seeing this graph, you can say, but we should calculate and show this. Let us assume the midpoint as M. And we should substitute all the terms in the midpoint formula. What is midpoint formula? Yes, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. What is x1? x1 is equal to -2, y1 is -4, x2 is 4 and y2 is 8. We will substitute all the terms in midpoint formula. Let's say -4 -2 plus 4 by 2, -4 plus 8 by 2. By further simplifying, we will get 1, 2. So, the coordinates of the midpoint are 1, 2. Now, let's discuss trisectional points of a line. 2 points which divide a line segment into 3 equal parts are said to be the trisectional point. Here, you can see a line segment PQ. In between, you can see 2 points A and B, which divide the PQ line segment in 3 equal parts. So, PA is equal to AB, AB is equal to BQ. The points of trisectional divide the join of the line segment in the ratio 1:2 or 2:1. Let's say from P to B is 2 parts and this PQ is 1 part. So, this is 2:1 ratio. Now let us take new color and I will show you 1:2. PA is 1 part and from A to Q is 2 parts. So this is 1:2. Section formula is used to find the points of trisection. Yes. Now let us discuss centroid of a triangle. So before going into centroid, let us discuss what is median. Median, the line segment joining from the vertex to the midpoint of its opposite side is called a median. Now let us see this in the picture. See this picture. The midpoint of this side AC is D. We draw a line from the opposite vertex, which is B, to the middle of the line segment AC. We called it as D. So this point is median. Now let us discuss about centroid. Centroid. The point of concurrence of the medians of the triangle is known as centroid. It is denoted by G. So the triangle has 3 medians, where the 3 medians meet at a particular point. Thus, that point is called the centroid. Let's see this in the figure. See here. The AC has a midpoint and BC has a midpoint and BA has a midpoint. These 3 midpoints are meeting at a certain point called as centroid. Note, centroid divides each median in the ratio of 2:1 from the vertex. So, to find the coordinates of the centroid, use the formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now, let us see an example. Determine the centroid of a triangle whose vertices are 5, 3, 6, 1 and 7, 8. So, the given parameters are x1, y1 equal to 5, 3, x2, y2 equal to 6, 1 x3 comma y3 equal to 7 comma 8. The centroid formula is given by g x1 comma x2 comma x3 by 3 comma x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Why only g? Just now I said the centroid is given a specific variable, that is g. So let us substitute all the given terms in this formula and let us find the coordinates of centroid. That is 5 plus 6 plus 7 by 3 comma 3 plus 1 plus 8 by 3 and 18 by further simplifying will get 18 by 3 comma 12 by 3 and by further simplifying will get 6 comma 4. So this is the end of the video. For more educational videos, please subscribe to my channel. In the next session, I will be teaching about area of the triangle and Heron's formula.